Hey, you yoga people. Are you ready to bend yourself into a pretzel? This is a tutorial on lotus pose. So one of the props you may need is a pillow. If you go into Baddha Konasana, the bound ankle pose, and your knees are up like this, you may need some time to get to full lotus. So you can start off with half lotus. I have a video for reclined half lotus on my channel, so check that out. And starting halfway on both sides can help ease you into the practice. So you want to start off, this movement comes from your hips. So make sure that your ball and socket joints, maybe warm it up a little bit, but you want to keep this left leg open, just bend from the hip and then lift up that right leg, sit up nice and tall, nestle that right foot into the left hip crease, and then scoop up the ankle of that left leg, bring it up, slide it in, and just nestle it into your hip crease there. See if you can walk your toes further across, get them closer to the outside edge of the body. You want to press your heels into your abdomen and work on trying to get the ankle opened up, pressing the outside of the ankle down to relieve any pressure on the shins. This is a great meditation posture. It helps you stay seated upright when you go into deep meditation. That's where lotus pose originated. It's been around for quite a long time, a couple thousand years at least. And that is lotus. You always want to do the right side because of the way that the internal organs are. It protects them. Thank you so much for joining me. Check out my full lotus sequence. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so other people can learn how to do this.